Hey everyone, just want to let you know about my experiences here at the Morrison Road Firestone in Gahanna, Ohio. It's been a real ordeal. First I stopped out here a couple weeks ago to get a PVC valve replaced. Their master mechanic, after dropping off, said no, it doesn't have one, but in fact it does. I had to talk to the service writer, who was nice, and of course it does. And their master mechanic, I guess, has a temper not to bring it up with him, but eventually got fixed. That went well in the end, except the master mechanic threw away all my fasteners, just chose to throw them away. Must not wanted to keep track of them or he lost them. So I stopped back out here today for a VTEC oil pressure switch and needed to get a solenoid add-on work, okay? And now my car leaks oil. Sometimes problems happen, that's the way it goes, but they refuse to get me in early. They say just you're gonna wait in line, even though there's open bays, there's toys on top of toolboxes. They won't give me the manager's phone number. They won't give me the district manager's phone number. They wait in line. They won't give me a loaner car. I don't know what I'm supposed to do for work this weekend. It's dripping oil on my brand new steel driveway that I just had done last Monday. So now it's stained up because it wasn't installed right, or there's oil just sloshing around. That was not cleaned up during the install of these oil parts. So just want to let you know about my experience with the Morrison Road Firestone here in Gahanna. Just kind of be aware of that. When you drop off your car, things be a little wonky. Talk to you later.